that late night city view. Love in motion, just me and you. Met her at a rooftop vibe downtown. Champagne dreams, heart spellbound. She said you don't look like the type to stay. I said girl, I'm here, not just a cliche. Every word she spoke was rhythm and art. Every glance hit like a baseline part. From LA sun to Paris rain, we found peace in the world of fame.
Every text got me hypnotized. Every night your name in my sky. We got that skyline love shining so high.
New love is rising,
touching the sky. From New York streets to Tokyo lights.
We the flame, they feeling the night.
Skyline love, hearts insane.
Every beat make the world think. From the charts to the stars above.
Yeah, we live in that skyline love.
No label, no PR stunt. Just vibes when the beats come from. She my muse, I'm around. Every ball we drop, perfect time. Private flights, no delay. But she the peace when the world's in play. Every smile she give, I stay. She my win in this world of gray.
These cities fade away, but your voice made me stay. Every heartbeat, every day. You're the song that never fades. We got that skyline love shining so high. New love is rising, touching the sky. From New York streets to Tokyo lights. We the flame, they feeling the night. Skyline love, hearts insane.
Every beat make the world think. From the charts to the stars above.
Yeah, we live in that skyline love.
Every beat make the world think. From the charts to the stars above. Yeah, we live in that skyline love. Yeah, no map, no script, just fate. New love, timeless, we create.